Demystifying negatives. A deep dive into quantifiers and negative sentences. Hello learners. Today, we're going to tackle an important aspect of English language learning: quantifiers and negative sentences. These little phrases help us specify quantity in our communication, and it's crucial to know how they behave when we're dealing with negative sentences. Get ready to add a new dimension to your English speaking skills. Firstly, let's start with a quick recap of what quantifiers are. Quantifiers are words or phrases that we use before nouns to indicate the amount or quantity. They can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Some common examples of quantifiers are a lot of, many, few, several, and a couple of. Now, moving on to our main topic: how to use quantifiers in negative sentences. In English, negative sentences often use quantifiers to deny the presence, existence, or possession of something. Let's take a look at a few examples. I don't have many books. Here, many is the quantifier used to indicate that the number of books is not large. She doesn't need a lot of help. In this case, a lot of is the quantifier, indicating that she does not need much help. Interestingly, certain quantifiers like a few and several take on slightly different nuances when used in negative contexts. For example, I have a few apples. This sentence implies that I have a small number of apples. I don't have a few apples. This sentence might seem like it's saying I don't have a small number of apples, implying I could have many. However, it's typically understood to mean I don't have any apples at all. The same goes for several. He made several attempts. This implies that he made multiple attempts. He didn't make several attempts. Although it may seem to imply he made less than several attempts, it typically means he didn't make any attempts. These nuances can be challenging but also make English a rich and expressive language. That wraps up our exploration of quantifiers and negative sentences. Understanding how these quantifiers work can enhance your English speaking and writing skills significantly. Remember, practice is key, so try using these quantifiers in your everyday conversation. See you in our next session, where we'll continue unraveling the mysteries of the English language. Happy learning!